Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify kicking you out. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify kicking you out, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will enter to the window of Spotify and you click on this window here or on this app. Then in this page we click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find update here, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching. Goodbye.